I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you called my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Look at my space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me?
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of JMD Tuning. Well, I just want to provide you guys with an update in terms of how it is so far having the lift in the garage. It's the first winter that we have the lift in the garage. Stay tuned and hopefully you enjoyed the video.
I'm looking for space. Look at my space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself.
You guys are curious how the Akira Index is looking like underneath after we have applied the fluid film. As you guys can see, it's looking nice and clean. I did a bit of spraying here before I have ramped the car onto our ramp here, because I don't want to make a mess here. But so far the car is looking nice. Everything still coated with the film, and you know, it's looking really clean here, guys. It's definitely working and protecting everything here that we have. I'll show you the rest of the bottom here again. It's awesome. It's definitely worth putting a fluid film. I know you guys are laughing at me trying to apply the fluid film using a brush, but hey, you know, if you can paint brush a paint, you could definitely paint brush anything. So anyways, guys, check it out. Definitely protected all that metal there from rusting. Basically the challenge we have, having to work with any of the vehicles during the winter time. As you guys can see, if I need to do any oil change or service on any of the vehicle, I pretty much have to get the Golf R and the Isuzu Sunfire out of the garage to be able to just, work on cars. That's the only drawback that I see in terms of owning again, a lift. It is nice and everything that we have our heating system in place, but at the same time, you still need to shuffle the cars around, because I do store the two vehicles on top of each other.
Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me? What happened to me?
and it's awesome, guys. The most awesome part of it is to be able to actually stock up the two cars on top of each other, so we could actually store them as they are only driven in the summertime. But the only issue that I've been having is literally if I need to work on any of the cars, any of the winter cars, I pretty much have to dismantle everything and shuffle all the cars to be able to, you know, basically do an oil change or any services to the other cars. So other than that, everything's great. The only thing is just it takes more time to truly just get the car going that you need to work on, and you just need to shuffle the cars around basically. But other than that, it's great. It's great that we have a heating system now and a lift to be able to work on. But the only extra added work is just the shuffling of the cars basically. And then now I have to put back all the cars as they were before.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you called my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Looking for space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me?
Well, guys, in conclusion, again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully enjoy this little vlog that I'm doing. And as always, guys, I appreciate your help, appreciate your subscription, and until next time, peace out.
Stop texting every second, I just wanna disappear. Like a fly up in my ear, you don't ever wanna stop. Yeah, you have me kicking rocks, just leave me alone for once.